sorry. Sorry, that was my hand. I'm trying to hold this. Right now we're on our mom's iPod. iPad. It's called an iPad. Apparently I can't speak, right? Don't touch anything. Don't touch anything, okay? So, say I have, like, I just got the hiccups for some reason. They just stopped when I made this video. So I was going to be like, oh my god. Slimy in. Hey, Sophie, on the count of three. On the count of three, we'll both stick out our tongues, okay? 1, 2, 3. And that is how you get used to it. Oh my god! You need to wash your hair. Okay, so we're in our kitchen right now. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So like we're in the kitchen, and as you can hear, we're at the table. She's sitting on my lap. And I was tickling her. She literally fell off the chair. So get off the chair. She was like, okay, like this. Like, alright, so just kidding, my brother, our brother, might not be joining this video today. I don't know why. I've only seen her once. You've seen her a couple of times. But okay, Sophie, stop it. But I do have the weirdest hiccups ever. Because like if I start laughing, I'll go and I'll get the hiccups. And I'm like, it's like if I like laugh really hard, like if I'm watching the video and it's like stop it! Extremely funny. Then I'll just be like, like, that actually happened to me the first time when I watched Smosh, because I love that show, or whatever. I'm trying to get her from not going on the camera, alright? So I think we're gonna go. Sophie, say bye.
Bye.